my bells, welcome back to the channel. So today's video is gonna be a day in my life, mommy and toddler edition. This is gonna be our realistic Sunday reset routine for me and my toddler. So let's just go ahead and get started. Honestly, guys, I would say one of the things that have helped me keep up with life's craziness is having a very good routine. I mean, we have our weekday routines, we have our weekly routines, we have our daily routines, and of course, when it comes to the weekends, I mean, if you're very, very active, I mean, if you're going to work, if you have kids, you know that weekend is a very, 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 very good time to go ahead and sleep in. But there's just something about having young kids that, especially young kids that go to school, that their body clock, their body system is so used to waking up early that even weekends, when you as an adult, like, you want to sleep in to maybe 10 o'clock, maybe 10:30, 11, once it's probably 8 o'clock, the kids are awake. So this is me and my toddler Ace, having our regular weekend routine. Like I said, this is going to be a Sunday reset. So of course, the first thing we always do is, once we are off of bed, I try as much as possible to make up my bed. Like I always tell you guys, making up my bed is kind of mentally telling myself that, okay, sleep time is over. It's time to kind of make up the bed and not go back to the bed again until the night. So it's a very good routine to have, especially if you're the type of, if you work from home, most especially, guys, if you're like me who work from home, and when you work from home, if you don't have a very good discipline, right, you can work from anywhere. So one thing that has helped me a lot is just going ahead to make up my bed once I get off from the bed. That automatically lets my mind know that, okay, I've made up this bed, I'm not going back to the bed again. And this is something that my toddler enjoys doing with me. Ace is a kind of person that, like, whatever it is I'm doing, guys, he just loves being among, or like, he loves doing things with me. I always call him my handbag. That's like the perfect that's like the perfect word to describe Ace. Wherever you see me, Ace is there. So of course, he always helps me to make up the bed. And now we are vacuuming. He loves vacuuming, guys. Sometimes he wants me to leave the machine for him so he can vacuum. As you guys can see here, even when you see him like struggling with the vacuum, you can vividly see that he's struggling with the vacuum. But I just let him have the vacuum for a little while. I'm honestly of that school of thought that you should train your male child as much as you train your female child. You know how people believe that a female child should know how to clean, cook, and all those things. And of course, what about the male child? So with Ace, I clean with him. I actually cook with him. If you guys follow me on Instagram, especially my Instagram stories, you must have seen I and Ace, a few times in the kitchen. But yeah, guys, I just, I enjoy doing things with him. It used to be the girls, but now the girls are so grown that they know all those things. So it's Ace's time, for us to kind of instill some certain qualities in him. But anyways, you guys, once we cleaned up the room, we opened up the windows. You guys know it's spring and we're gearing up to summer, so the weather is so nice outside. It's always good to open up your windows, open up your blinds, open up your curtains. So that is exactly what we did. And I went ahead to bring out his clothes for the day, because we're gonna go ahead and brush our teeth and bathe and then get ready for the day. As you guys can see, this right here is one of our weekend morning routines that I absolutely love also doing with him. Like, we brush our teeth together. And of course, during the weekdays, you guys know how it is. Like, most families, you guys can relate, where everybody is running helter-skelter, getting the kids ready, fixing lunchbox and everything. So like, the weekends, it's always the perfect time to, especially Saturdays, guys. Of course, on Sundays, you still gotta wake up to get ready for church, and but yeah, Saturdays is my favorite time. Like, Saturday is my favorite day in a week, because it's kind of a slow day. I used to really pack up cleaning, like my deep cleaning on Saturdays, but I've noticed that that actually takes away from my from my weekends, you know. So I usually would do my cleaning, my deep cleaning on Friday evening, so that on Saturday I can sleep in, just wake up, just take it easy on Saturday, like watch movies, do things. And of course, since the weather is so nice, that like we love spending time outside. So once it's spring, once the weather gets nice, guys, I don't believe anybody is inside watching movies. I think that it's good to watch movies like during the winter and the fall because it's cold outside. But once the weather is nice, you're catching us, like especially my family. You're catching all of us outside. And yep, guys, we went ahead and fixed up some breakfast, and you know, AC had his pancake, his pancake, banana, egg, and all those good stuff. But of course, you guys, if you know me, you know I love my coffee, so I'm going ahead to fix some coffee. This is actually Ace's favorite thing to do with his dad, but since daddy is not around, Saturdays is always for street ministry, so he went to church. But of course, you know, mommy has to step in. Like, I actually do it with him, but he loves playing football with his dad. Of course, they are men. Come on. When it comes to, you know, set things, women are known for that. But when it comes to all these like active things, men are known for that. But can you guys just see Ace trying to play that ball? That is so funny. And whenever I'm playing football with him, I love to dribble him and give him a little work. As you guys can see, he's really like struggling with the ball. Look at that. But it's so crazy because when he plays the ball with his dad, right, he does such a good job. Well, when he plays with me, I don't know. It's crazy, guys. Like, let me know if this happens. Like, if you experience this with your kids, right? That like they get soft when they are with you, but they are especially male kids, like they are tougher when they are with their dads than when they are with their moms. Like, let me know if you experience that, because AC always goes so like soft and he likes to baby around whenever he's with me. But yeah, when he's with his dad, he's like as if he mans up, you know. But yeah, guys, as you guys can see, we just take it really nice and slow, you know. During Saturdays, we have all the fun in the world, from playing soccer to him playing his slides, and of course we love to go ahead and, you know, do his schoolwork, because he always has his homework and things like that. And you know, that's a very nice way I love to bond with my kids. I just love to spend quality time with them, you know, like play and also get serious, because when it comes to school, you know, school time is a serious time, even though of course you got to make it even though it's a serious time, but you got to make it fun, because that's the way they enjoy it. Like for Ace in particular, even with the kids, even with the twins, when they were his age, they love to play and then do something schoolwork, So let's say we are taking an hour for schoolwork, you know, I love to do it interchangeably. Like we play 15 minutes, we do schoolwork 15 minutes, we play 15 minutes, we do schoolwork 15 minutes. And of course, you guys, we're going ahead to do our ABCs, even though he knows, you know, his ABC to, I believe, T, you know. But yeah, I love to like start from the beginning, A, B, C, and then we get to T, and then we continue from T to Z, you know. We just take it slowly. I love to start with the ones I know, like he knows, and then we, you know, now build it down. But yep, you guys, I believe that is all there is to this video, my loves. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like, I'm a sucker when it comes to routine videos. I love watching routine videos, so I decided to share I and Ace's weekend routine with you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. And please, if I even forgot to say it at the beginning of the video, please guys, kindly hit that like button below if you enjoyed the video. I notice most times you guys, you know, you watch my videos and you don't like, so please hit that like button below. And till my next video, I will see you all very soon. Bye.